Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a product from OtterBox Symmetry series, a wallet for MagSafe. So let's just open it up and see how it looks like. You have some warranty information, and then that's the product itself. OtterBox MagSafe kind of finish, real kind of thing on sides. This is like a mesh, and yeah, really light, really nice, really light, and it goes like this. That's also an OtterBox case with MagSafe, and it stays there, hopefully strong enough. Oops, sorry guys. So you see, you would think that they will fall, but they're not, because of this system. So you press on when you need them, you take it in your hand, and then you remove them. When you push them in, you can see it goes in and they stay in. So don't worry, they don't fall, even though there's space for about 3 of them. And then you push this out and they can easily take them out, and then that stays there. Now it definitely seems like it's staying. The only thing is down the bottom in here, unless it's like that. No, down the bottom in there. Let's see without the case if it grips a bit better. Yeah, same kind of grip. But it looks really nice, especially with this brown finish, dark brown and light brown. And yeah, is it leather? Might be. So yeah, thanks for watching guys.